Hey guys, I just realized that I had my mic on mute the whole beginning of this, but it's fine, it's fine. I realized halfway through. Anyway, welcome back to another Wee Wednesday. I'm gonna be doing my makeup based off of the anime Blue Exorcist. So basically, I'm gonna start off with a mint color, and I'm just putting that on a flat brush right now. And I'm going at the inner corner of my eye, and I'm really taking that down to create kind of like an eye bag illusion. And then I'm also bringing it up a little bit. There's where you realize that I hated the flat brush and instead flipped to a fluffy brush. And then I'm just going to powder it to make it look less intense. So then I am taking that flat brush and I'm going in with like this glittery lighter mint color. And I'm just putting that right on the corner just to make it look a little bit more dimensional. And then I'm doing my eyeliner. You guys already know how I do my eyeliner. I'm not gonna explain it. If you wanna see it, you can look at any of my other videos. I explained it in detail on how I do my eyeliner with the hooded lid. Then I'm going to be taking a little paintbrush, some mint lipstick that I have, and I'm just going to draw little flames right at the edge of this liner. So this isn't showing up as dark as I wanted to. Also, I just realized I was muted. My mic was muted the whole time. So anyway, this isn't showing up as much as I wanted it to. So I'm going to take some more of this other mint color that I have in the eyeshadow and just kind of trace over it. Some of that light color in the middle here. And I'm gonna outline it in a darker one to make it pop more. All right, so this is it. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup off cam and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And if you guys like anime, don't forget to watch all of the other videos in the playlist. You can click here to watch them all. There's a bunch of different animes that I've done my makeup based off of. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts, guys. I have Instagram, TikTok, and Twitch. And most importantly, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye!